Copy, copy. Kobe! Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to throw it right at you. Nice trade, good job. Yeah, good job. Yeah, Neil got it. Duncan, right side tower. Duncan, left side tower. Oh, yeah. You're not on my team. I just got knifed. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez. It's like do a countdown. Yeah, right? Watch right side, watch right side. We got one right side, Pilos. Oh, I forgot to load out my freaking hammer shot. Oh, man. Pete's down. Yep. Oh, there we go. One. It's right there. It's just right there.
What's your name? I didn't learn your name.
Oh, nice hit.
Huh?
Respawn! Yeah, we got Brandon right side. Oh my God. Did that hit me? No, okay. Oh, jeez. Keep them down. Oh my God. This freaking hurricane. Respawn! Can you grab it? Grab it. How many is that? 3? Oh my God. Hit! Nice shot. Good work, Brandon. Oh. Respawn! We got one in backfield. Dave in backfield.
We got 3.
Pete's down. Pete's down. Office up top. Blue zone. Brandon's going right. Brandon's right side. We got Pete in backfield. Oh, come on now. Here we go. Copy. Pete's mid. Oh, I almost loaded that backward. Brandon's right side. Kobe. Yes! Stop! Save the Appa! It's an Appa!
What is this? This never stopped. What's happening? And it sat there, and then it exploded on me.
Oh, fabulous. Oh, man. It's because I yelled Kobe. I just had to yell Kobe. Kobe! Yes!